Hey guys, what's up? Welcome again to another video. If you haven't yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. This is the Nike in collaboration with Stranger Things. Today is July 5 and it's now ready for viewing for streaming on Netflix. I have here the Pop Season 3 edition Stranger Things Dustin model, and this is the Season 1 8-bit design by Pop. So there you go. And to start with, we have here a green box. This is the normal red one, and yes, I love the overall design of this green box because it has this Hawkins High School logo, and it is also dominant on the sneaker itself. So yes, here we go. And at the back we have here the Netflix official merchandise. So yes, it is an official Netflix merchandise, this sneaker, and it says also here 1985 Nike Stranger Things edition. So opening the box, you have this newspaper and some freebies. So let's get to the point. Wow, I really love this colorway, and I call it the Gatorade. Yes, the Gatorade colorway. It's so green. I like the power of this green upper, and on the tongue you have also, it also has this exposed material, and it says Nike and Stranger Things. Now the overall fit is nice and comfy, however it is not wide feet friendly. Yes, it is not wide feet friendly. It's narrow on the toe, and I also love the overall quality of materials for only $120. Now the regular version of the Tailwind is around $100, 5,000 pesos. Now this is $120, and I got it for a resale price from Gio. Gio has an account on Instagram, Streetwear Haul. Shout out to Gio. He also has a YouTube channel. It's called Chummy TV. So subscribe also to Gio. He has a good and different kind of content. And yes, going back, like I said, I love the overall quality for only $120. Now if you're thinking or planning on buying one, just go true to size. If you will go half size up, the toe area will look too long, or it will look big. So my suggestion is just go true to size. My true to size 9, and all of my Nikes are size 9. So yes, there you go, size 9, and it's a bit uncomfortable on the toe box, but it gives me just the right fit when going true to size. I don't want to suggest to go half size up. Like I said, it's not wide feet friendly. So overall quality, you have a leather Nike swoosh branding or logo, and the toe area or the toe side has this suede. So there you go, that holds the overall fit also of this area. And going here, you have this nice heel part, and I love that the Hawkins logo is also there, and the Nike brand is in a leather material. So there you go. And also you have this insole, so you cannot remove the insole. But yes, the insole has a great design as well. So the overall quality for $120, I say it's totally worth it. And the outsole, it's also good. So overall, like I said, this is totally worth it, guys. And if you're a fan, even though you're not a fan of Stranger Things, I will suggest this model since it's also comfortable. The midsole, I'm not 100% sure if this is Air. It says Tailwind Air, so that's the name of this model. And I'm not really an expert when it comes to Nike, you know that, because I love Adidas. So it's still comfortable. I'm not sure if this is Air, but this midsole gives you that enough cushion and support. However, it's not that flexible. That's why I'm thinking, why is this a running shoe back then? But still, I think it will work as a running shoe since it looks like a running shoe, like the I-5923 of the Adidas, if you know that. So I-59 or the Nike, it looks like this one, the Tailwind. So there you go, guys. Overall, I like the design. I like how classic it is, or retro, and man, I really love this model. Something that I really want to have this 2019, since I'm also a fan of Stranger Things. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to hit that like button and see you in another video.